Ever wondered how top-tier companies keep their digital fortresses impregnable? Well, it's not about having a single wall of defense, but rather it's about a succession of walls, a layered security architecture. Picture this: a successful tech company, let's call it TechGuard. In the early days, TechGuard was just like any other startup, with minimal security measures in place. But as they grew, so did the complexity of their security needs. With every new client, partner and project, the potential risks multiplied. TechGuard knew they had to step up their game. Their solution? A layered security architecture. A strategic and systematic approach to cybersecurity. Like a medieval castle with its high walls, moats and drawbridges, TechGuard built multiple lines of defense to protect their precious data. At the heart of their fortress was the data, the crown jewel. TechGuard employed encryption and data classification to keep it safe and sound. And it wasn't just about the data. The applications processing and handling this data were also under lock and key, with role-based access control, regular patching and strong authentication. The environment in which these applications ran, the host, had its own set of defenses. Think of it like the castle's barracks, equipped with antivirus software, local firewall rules and process containers. Then came the network, the roads and bridges leading to the castle. TechGuard ensured it was secure with segmentation and access control lists, ACLs for short. At the edge, the perimeter, where the internal systems met the outside world, another layer of firewalls and ACLs stood like watchtowers and guards. But it wasn't just about these logical controls. TechGuard understood the importance of physical and administrative controls too. Like the castle's physical barriers and the king's administrative policies, they implemented surveillance, fire suppression, environmental controls, business continuity plans, insurance and backup and recovery plans. This layered approach, this defense in depth, was TechGuard's key to a robust security system. Every layer had a role to play, every control was a piece of the puzzle. And the result? A digital fortress that stood tall and strong against threats, a kingdom secure and thriving. In the span of 7 minutes, we've journeyed through the realm of layered security architecture. We've seen how data is the heart of the system, protected by logical, physical and administrative controls. We've walked the path of a successful company, TechGuard, and seen how a layered approach to security was their key to success. So next time you think about cybersecurity, picture a castle. Remember TechGuard. Remember that it's not about one wall, but many. It's about defense in depth. It's about a layered security architecture. And most importantly, it's about keeping the kingdom safe and secure. Until next time, stay vigilant and keep those digital fortresses strong.